Hello, Oscar. Today we're going to read Rain by David Bennett. It's a little teddy on the front, isn't there? Rain. Where does the rain come from? Rain falls from the clouds in the sky. Oh, he's got some rain on his nose. Rainwater collects in puddles, ponds, rivers, lakes and seas. Did you know that over half the world is covered by water all the time? Look at those little fish in the sea. And can you see the sun? And there's Teddy in his boat. Hello, Teddy. The heat of the sun makes the water change into invisible mist called water vapour. The vapour rises into the sky. There's those fish again. Oh, look. Teddy's holding on to his umbrella. His red umbrella. Oh, Teddy's floating on a cloud. The vapour moves higher and higher. When the air gets very cold, this invisible mist turns into millions of tiny droplets of water. The droplets stay in the air and form a cloud. That's what Teddy's sitting on, isn't he? The droplets bump into each other and join together. They get bigger and bigger. When the droplets are too heavy to hang in the sky, they fall as raindrops. Oh, look, Teddy's falling out the sky too, like a raindrop. The rain soaks into the ground. Plants drink the water through their roots. It helps them to grow leaves and flowers. Without rain, there would be no plants. Can you see the flowers? Oh, look over here. There's a bird perched on Teddy's red umbrella. Hello, bird. Sometimes huge clouds crowd together. The day is suddenly dark. A storm is coming. Oh no, it's going to rain a lot, I think. Raindrops inside the storm clouds carry electricity. When this electricity escapes, giant sparks called lightning flash across the sky. Can you see the yellow lightning, Oscar? It's raining a lot now, isn't it? Lightning makes the air so hot that it explodes with a terrific crack, boom. Oh, look, the sheep. And Teddy, he's holding his hands over his ears. This is called thunder. Lightning and thunder happen at the same time. But when things are a very long way away, you can see them before you can hear them. So first you see the flash of lightning, and then you hear the loud boom of thunder. Oh, look, Teddy and Sheep are under the red umbrella, protecting themselves from the rain. Count the seconds between the flashes of lightning and the crashes of thunder. Can you count less each time the storm is coming nearer? 1, 2, 3. Teddy's counting. If you count more each time, the storm is going away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The storm is going away. Oh, look, there's a cow. The storm has gone away. Sunshine warms the water. Do you know what happens next? Oh, look. Can you see the blackbirds and the rabbits playing in the puddle? The end. Good night, Oscar.